Hi everyone, welcome to Everybody Arts. I'm Mr. Matt.
And I'm Emma.
And this is our anniversary episode. It's been 1 year on March 28th that we started doing Everybody Arts.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you remember what the first video was?
Electric banana?
No. It was me and you. And it was a drawing one.
Oh, Alien Pixel?
Yeah, we drew our cats, Annie and Pixel. That was our very first episode. And we started it right when COVID-19 forced us to stay at home. So we didn't know what the teachers were going to do, anything like that. I kind of felt bad for the kids that were at home, and I was an art volunteer at the school at the time. So I wanted to keep doing things that with supplies that I knew the kids had at home. And that's why we started Everybody Arts. And just kind of evolved over time. It's still pretty much the same thing, but since this is an anniversary show, I wanted to show a few things that we haven't shown before, that you haven't seen. But I have a couple. Do you want to see it? Do you remember what they are? Do you know what they are?
No, I don't think so.
I'm going to show you this one. Do you remember this one?
Yes.
That is, it looks like a voodoo doll. Oh, by the way, here's one thing that we didn't do before. We have a green screen, and I never used that before. It was going to be a green screen with that I was going to use behind us with me and Emma, and I was going to do projects in front. And yeah, we never used it. So I'm going to use it now, and probably pretty badly too, because I've never used it before. So, and I don't know if you can see the voodoo doll right now. I might have to turn off the green screen so you can see it because it's green. I wonder if you're going to be invisible because its shirt's kind of green. And you have a little green. We're going to have to find out.
Yeah, but I want a potato here.
A potato in the background? Okay. I'm going to put lots of potatoes in the background. But anyway, so we have this one here. I wanted to show kids how to sew. And I wanted to show Emma how to sew. And so we did a video of sewing. And it is kind of sketchy. It didn't turn out super great. I wasn't sure if all the parents would be okay with their kids using sewing machines. But when I was a kid, we had, and I have pictures that I found online of fabric. They actually made fabric with the pattern for you to cut out and sew together for teddy bears, just like this. This is just flat, same exact pattern on both sides. I folded a piece of fabric over and cut out a teddy bear shape, and then I sewed it together. And I tried to do hidden stitching on the top. I don't know if you can see that. It was not well executed, but the idea was a good idea, I think. Maybe someday, and I'll show you bits of it while we're talking, so you don't get bored. Okay. What was the other thing? What was it? I bought, what is it? Sorry. Nobody did see it. No, why are you laughing? You can laugh at me. It's okay to laugh at me, because sometimes I lose my place, and usually when I'm by myself and I lose my place, I can go way back and edit it. But Emma's laughing at me, so now I don't know if I'll be able to edit all that stuff out. Anyway. Do you remember this?
Oh, yeah.
I tried to do Shrinky Dinks. And I don't know if any of you remember Shrinky Dinks. This was the very first thing I wanted to do. And somebody told me, and I'm not going to tell you what kind or where, because you got to play with the oven in it. I mean, let me start that. No. Don't play with the oven. You have to use the oven. And I didn't... That is kind of, I don't want you to use the oven at all, because you obviously have to have your parents' permission, supervision, all that kind of stuff. Somebody had told Mrs. Matt that, there's great plastic that you can use that makes, shrinky dinks. You can make your own shrinky dinks. And I'm like, yes, that would be the coolest project ever. Excuse me. So I found the plastic that was mentioned to me. And it was smooth on both sides. And when you try to color on it with marker or anything, it just wipes right off. It was kind of pointless. And then, so I had to sandpaper the one side and get it rough. And then I could use colored pencils, which looks great. But then it didn't get so shrinky when I put it in the oven. It shrank maybe not even 1/8 of an inch around on all sides. That's how little it shrank. So... And then we had other ones. You made a really cool smiley face and some other stuff. But either they would roll up and look really bad, because this is even rolled up a little bit on the back, or they'd tear or something, and they get sharp on the edges. So it was not worth trying to do that. And I was really sad that that didn't work out. Here's another one that you and I did together. I'll bet you remember doing this. Do you? You're going to say no. Emma did this one, and I did this one. Go ahead, you hold that one up. These are collagraphs, okay? I was going to take a brush, like a sponge brush, and some tempera paint, and then you put it on the front, and then you press it on paper and make a print, and that's called a collagraph. We made them multiple heights, some of them, and I don't think you're really supposed to. I've never done a collagraph before. This was our first attempt, and we were doing like a bunch of different projects at the same time. Do you remember when we had the toy bin with all the toys and we were making tracks and things in the paint and stuff? We were doing that, and the leaves, we were doing leaves, all kinds of things. And then we did this at the same time. So we had like 2 or 3 projects going, and I'm like, you know what? This will just get put on the side and we'll finish this later. And we never did. It just got kind of buried under a bunch of other stuff. I have something else here that never made it. This is the reason that we have everybodyarts.net. I made a puppet, and I had to print out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I printed out schematics almost on how to make the puppet, the different templates you could use and things like that. But this is my zombie puppet. See, he's waving to everybody. Hello. He's got hair on the top, and he's got an eyeball. And if you look, it's kind of gross because his eyeball falls out sometimes. Here you go, watch. Yeah, see, I pulled it right back in. You pull it out, and here, see that? Because I have a little string on the back. But I actually have paper that I showed you how to fold these. So it's actually made out of cereal boxes. I love cereal. Yes, I do. And I'm a horrible puppeteer. Gasp. Anyway, I'm going to take this off. But yeah, this is a sock that I put onto the back, and little pieces of sock for the arms. And you don't have to make a zombie, but you can put ears on it and make it look like a person, and put blonde hair on it and make it a girl or make it a boy. Or yeah, I just kind of thought zombies. And again, it was supposed to be at Halloween. I had to make the website first, and then the website got built, but it got built after Halloween. And then I'm just like, well, it's after Halloween. I don't think everybody wants to make zombie puppets like after Halloween, so it just got shelved. But if you want me to put the instructions up for it and make a video of it, go on to everybodyarts.net, and I have a comment section, and just go into the comments and tell me that you want me to put the zombie puppets up there, and I'll put them up. That way I know that the comment section's working. I can send myself comments all the time, but I already know what I said, so looking at those are really boring. Right? Mm-hmm. So, is there anything else we did that you liked a lot, or what was your favorite project?
The squishy whale one.
Oh, the drawing with the squishy whales. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I think the drawing ones that we did together were my favorites. I like those a lot. Painting too. You're really good at painting. I like that. Oh, and the music in the show. I did all the music in the show. And one of my other kiddos wrote the opening theme song and played it and recorded it for me. And then I'm animating I'm rotoscoping an animation for the opening, a new animation. Just for fun. No other reason. Can you get it? What you got? Oh, whenever Emma wants to go ahead, sit down. Whenever she starts doing artwork, and I'm like, oh, can we make a video of it? She's like, sometimes I just want to do art and not make a video. But she makes such awesome art. Go ahead and show them.
It's my first one that I made.
Okay, here, hold it up. Here, let me see.
This one.
Uh-huh.
And then I got... My second one was this one. I had a hard time making this because I didn't know what I was going to do. And then, what is this one? Yeah. And then, this was my latest one.
I like that. It looks like a planet.
Really?
Is it outer space? Kind of?
Yeah, it's like the sunset, and then it's like stars.
It's cool. I like that. So, yeah, thank you for hanging out with us on our anniversary video. And I'm glad my knobby knee isn't in frame right now. But,
What did you just say?
I'm glad my knobby knee isn't in frame right now. See, it's not. What? I got old man knees. Because I got old man knees, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm going to cut that part of the film out. But next year, I promise I'll make a better anniversary video. This year's kind of like, you know. I'll see what I can do with the green screen behind us. Maybe I can make elephants like running at us or something. Or we're in a speedboat, like we have like skiers behind us. Something fun.
Minecraft screen on it.
That'd be fun. Throw up your arms like we're in the Minecraft cart. Ah! Having fun in Minecraft. Anyway, yeah. So thank you for being with us, and if you've been with us the whole time, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna say please subscribe, because I think it still shows we only have 11 people watching, and that's sad. It makes me sad. I know there's more than 11 people watching, just you're not subscribed. So if you aren't subscribed and you watch, please subscribe. If you know somebody that might like the videos, except for this one, I don't know how exciting this one was, but I liked it. We had fun. And we'll make lots more videos. Oh, Pixie, it's okay. But again, thank you for being here and hanging out with us. And I'm just going to keep making videos whether you watch it or not. So, because I like doing it. And I think someone somewhere out there, is going to watch and be grateful that I made one video. So, yeah, hey, say goodbye over here. Say goodbye. Come on, cutie pie. You want to say goodbye? Nope. Sorry. Bye. Thank you so much. Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. And
make sure you like and subscribe and put on those notifications.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.